The wait is finally over. DJI fans, brace yourselves. The DJI Air 4 is officially on the horizon, and it's bringing some absolutely mind-blowing upgrades that no one saw coming. From a completely redefined triple camera system, next-gen AI flight intelligence, to a massive boost in battery life and performance, this drone is shaping up to be one of DJI's biggest releases in years. And today's video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the DJI Air 4, from its leaked specs, design changes, and new flight features, to its expected release date and price. Whether you're a content creator, travel filmmaker, or just a drone enthusiast, this is one upgrade you don't want to miss. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. So grab your controller, hit that subscribe button, and let's find out why the DJI Air 4 might just be the most powerful and intelligent mid-range drone DJI has ever built. The drone community is buzzing with excitement, and for good reason. The DJI Air 4, the much-anticipated successor to the immensely popular DJI Air 3, is finally on its way. And if the latest leaks, insider reports, and early prototype details are anything to go by, this next-generation mid-range drone is shaping up to be one of the biggest leaps in DJI's Air series history. For years, DJI's Air lineup has been known for striking the perfect balance between professional-level performance and everyday portability. The Air 3 set a new standard with its dual-camera system, excellent battery life, and intelligent flight features. But the upcoming DJI Air 4 seems to be rewriting the rulebook, offering features previously reserved for flagship drones like the Mavic 3 Pro, at a price and size that appeal to enthusiasts and semi-pros alike. So, what makes the DJI Air 4 so special? Let's dive deep into everything we know, from its rumored specs and camera system to its design refinements, AI-powered flight features, and potential release window. According to leaked CAD renders and insider reports, the DJI Air 4 will retain the same folding design that made its predecessor so portable, but with a few key refinements. Expect slightly thinner arms, improved aerodynamics, and new air intake vents for better heat management. This redesign not only improves durability but also contributes to more stable flight, especially in windy conditions. DJI has reportedly focused heavily on materials, making the Air 4 lighter without compromising rigidity. Early prototypes suggest a magnesium alloy reinforced chassis and upgraded propellers for quieter performance. This means creators can capture cinematic aerial shots without the constant buzz that often disrupts audio recordings. If there's one area where DJI never disappoints, it's the camera system, and the Air 4 looks ready to set a new benchmark for its class. Rumors indicate that DJI is introducing a triple camera setup for the first time in the Air lineup. Yes, you read that right, 3 lenses on a mid-range drone. Here's what insiders believe the configuration might look like. Wide camera, main 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of 5.4K video at 60 frames per second. Telephoto camera, 1/1.3-inch sensor with 3x optical zoom. Ultra-wide camera, half an inch sensor with a 120 degrees field of view. This trio would allow creators to switch seamlessly between perspectives without compromising image quality. Combined with DJI's advanced color science